Hey, welcome back to the 6th Gear Garage. Today, I'm going to be giving away some LED light bulbs. So you might remember a previous video where I installed a set of LED light bulbs into my imported Japanese 80 series Land Cruiser. Well, Cougar Motor was also kind enough to send me an extra set of bulbs for a North American model Land Cruiser. And this is a 9005 and 9006 size bulbs. Now in the previous video, I said comment down below with the year and model of your Land Cruiser and anything else you want to tell me about it, and you'll be entered to win these bulbs. So here I have all the people who have commented, and just to make this fair, I'll show you on camera. We're gonna cut these up right now, and I'm gonna pick one of these from my hat, and you'll receive these bulbs. Now, there are only 7 people who actually commented to enter, and that's all right. I don't need a lot of contestants. I like to kind of hide giveaways sometimes in videos, so I know that only my subscribers are the ones who are gonna win, not just people who want to get something for free. Although, there's nothing wrong with that. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so here we have Jardo, Logan, Specs, Sheriff, Funky Rooster, Reds 1985 Nation, and Jesh Garoon. We'll fold them up first. I think that's how they do it in official giveaways, right? Fold them up into quarters here. All right, use my hat here. Shuffle them up real good. And the winner is Specs 1996 triple lock with 167,000 miles. Congratulations. My people will be in touch with your people, and I'll get these bulbs in the mail for you. And I'll also toss in a couple of 6th Gear Garage stickers. Thanks for watching.